Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay January 28, 2026 Wednesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong January 28, 2026 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, January 28, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for January 28, 2026, Wednesday. Here are the tonnage jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, January 28, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video of January 28, 2026, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.